Hey guys, Connor Marr with MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. Today we're going to be taking a look at a Harris Grand Mariner 270. Let's go check it out. On this model, it comes included with a 400 horsepower Verado Mercury outboard. Very, very powerful motor, versatile for all uses, such as water sports or going down the lake at high speeds. Comes included with a 3-blade stainless steel prop. All of our Harris models come with these very, very nice 4-step ladders. As you can see, that sits really low in the water, so you don't have to lift your knees up real high to get into the boat. Very easy, very safe access. You can see here, very wide, very ergonomic feel on this ladder. Makes for boarding super easy. All the construction is bolted through the deck, so you'll never have any mounting issues. Let's go ahead and take a look at the cabin. Here at the stern, we have our safety rails included with the stainless steel safety chain. Hooking up to our safety rail in front of the 400 horsepower motor. Really safe for any kids walking around. Sun lounger back here with extensive storage. As a full-length bench with a cooler included at the end. We have a backrest, it's forward or aft facing. If you guys want to lay out on the sun pad here, very, very great viewing experience if you're doing any kind of water sports. With a JL Audio access remote up top here. And located on the bottom so you can have easy in-water access to your audio. Cup holders all around. 2 up here, 2 more included there with color-changing RGB lit centers. Grand Mariner models come exclusive with this very nice stainless steel fence. Very sturdy, very nice feel. Again, just adds to the real rich look of this boat. Moving into the cabin here, you can see all your centers have cross-stitched vinyl. Very nice feel, very rich look. All your seats here are flip out with a powder-coated hinge to prevent any kind of corrosion or any kind of scuff marks on there. Very durable coating. All compartments are self-bailing. Keep everything nice and dry in your compartments. More storage here on this long bench seat. As you can see, this bench seat here is really long. Can fit a lot of passengers. Very, very good feel. Moving up to the captain's chair here. This is our fully adjustable reclining with flip down armrests. Very nice feel. Very wide, sturdy. Flip up bolster. Makes for very good viewing if you're going underway down the lake and you need a little bit of extra viewing. Has a center cutout here for your legs if you're standing up on the boat. Adds to the convenience factor. Have a Simrad G09 chart plotter. You can lay breadcrumbs down, find your way back home. Everything coming from your 400 horsepower Mercury Verado will be displayed on this screen. Got your aviation style toggle switches here. Makes for a very crisp feel. Whenever you indicate a switch, you know it's engaged. Real fancy RGB color changing wheel. Change the under rope lighting to your seats or your cup holders to any color you choose. Upgraded steering wheel on this model adds to the rich feel. I mean, it's a very good looking steering wheel, all stainless steel. Look at our throttle setup on here. It is fully digital. Makes for very seamless shifting, making docking extremely easier. Having a docking mode on it limits how much you can push the throttle, so you don't have to worry about in those tight situations. Premium JL Audio head unit, really punchy sounding head unit, makes operation very easy, very user friendly. You have Fusion speakers placed all around the boat. 2 rear facing on the stern of the boat, 2 more here in the cabin area. 1 right next to the captain's chair, because it's very important for the captain to hear his music. And then 2 more Fusion speakers up at the bow area. Really, really good viewing experience for audio. You have your entertainment center right here. Great for meal prep. Has a cooler included, self-draining, with cup holders around. And this really nice stainless retention rail. Make sure nothing falls overboard. Has an included flip-out table, kind of add to that entertainment center just to give you a little bit more room. Storage also included, fit any kind of coolers or any big bulky items, as well as the under helm compartment here. As you can see on all of these doors, you have stainless steel latches, stainless steel hinges that are going to last you a lifetime. I want to point something out to you on this model. You have both port side and starboard side doors, making access very, very easy. Not only that, Harris has a full-length doorstop. Very quality feel. If you're ever coming down the lake and you're bumping into this door, it will never buckle, bend, or crack on you, as it's all made of the same aluminum grade. Has a full-length pad to prevent any kind of vibration or unnecessary noises. Not only that, but it has a doorstop for this door, so it's not banging around going down the lake if you decide to keep this door open for docking purposes. Coming up to the bow seats here, you see you have very nice storage compartments here with pockets. This boat has a really, really nice feel to it. All the rails are all aluminum, all stainless steel. Just make the feel and the atmosphere of the boat very, very nice. Here we have a center ski locker with a built-in bilge pump. Bow seats here are very expansive, very sturdy. As you can see, they cannot hyperextend, so you won't ever have to worry about them breaking on you. Neat feature I want to show you about these Harris seats. You can actually stand on these seats. Not that you will, but just shows you the quality, what goes into these seats. The edges are rolled over. Just give it that really extra support. Cup holders all around again. It's very important for everybody to be able to hold their drinks. All right, guys, if you're interested in hearing more information about this vessel, my name is Connor Marr at MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. Thank you guys for watching.